Hello guys, today we do homemade bread, classic recipe of the bread, but the most difficult thing is that instead of baking the electric oven like usual, we will use our oven for the pizza. To make the pizza is very easy. You need to put the power of your oven at the maximum, so more fire you have in the oven, better is it for the pizza. For the bread we need to try to keep the temperature of 230-250 Celsius degree for 35-40 minutes. This will be the most difficult things, but let's try. For the bread we will use 350 ml or gram of water, 4-5 gram of fresh yeast, 300 gram of durum flour, wheat flour, the yellow one, 200 gram of bread flour or 00 flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We cover our dough and we should wait 1-2 hours. During this time you can clean and also put the oven outside. Remember, see you in 2 hours. After 2 hours you can work a little bit your dough. You fold it on itself. After you take your towel, you put in another container, add some flour to the towel. Now we put the dough, we close again, and we should wait other 30-40 minutes. During this time we can turn on the fire in our oven. If you see a little bit of mess, don't worry, it's normal, because also I'm doing the peach jam and the peach wine that you will see in another video. Our oven reached 250 Celsius degree. Now I'll show you. So we can bake our bread. I will put it on this pot. I will do some cut on the top of our loaf and after we can bake it. Ta-da! and after 35 minutes at 220, 210, at the end 200 Celsius degree, our bread is baked. The only things, like now I'll show you, after 15 minutes I check, and the side close to the fire was a little bit burned. So I turn the bread and I put more close to the door. If touch the door, there is no problem. The important it is far away from the fire. Now we should wait and reach the room temperature, because now it's still hot, so it's still cooking inside, and after we can do the tasting. See you later. Spectacular homemade bread with extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, really spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, and to watch and share this video with your friends. So with the oven or the wooden pizza oven you can also bake the bread. You should be a little bit careful because this side is very dark. The best way will be after that you bake your pizza, your different pizzas, you put also the bread at the end, so the oven will be very hot and your bread will cook better. Usually in the restaurant, in the pizza restaurant, at the end of the evening, when there is no fire anymore but the oven is still hot, with the leftover dough they make the homemade bread. So you should do the same. Bye bye!